Hello, future voiceover pros. Enrollment is now open for my Intro to Voiceover monthly membership program, the perfect place to start your voice acting journey. Inside, you'll get full access to all 4 levels of my training. Level 1, Intro to Voiceover, where we cover all of the basics of getting started in the business. Level 2, Technique over Technology, where we do a deeper dive into vocal techniques as well as the technology behind recording and editing. And Level 3, one of the most exciting levels of training, where we talk about visibility, branding, and marketing. Here is where you will learn how to start your voiceover business and how to find consistent and paid opportunities. Plus, if you've had any interest in becoming an audiobook narrator, you can stay on board for a bonus course on audiobook narration for beginners. Most students can successfully complete this program in about 3 to 4 months. After that, you can either cancel your membership or stay enrolled to keep access to your course content. As a member, you'll also enjoy monthly live class meetings, discounts on one-on-one coaching, exclusive student workshops and classes, and starting your second month, you'll have access to our private Facebook community group. Members may also have the opportunity to be accepted into our DIY demo course, which will also be reopening for enrollment soon. Get your first 30 days in the program free when you use promo code SOCIALVO at checkout. And while you're here, don't forget to download your copy of Intro to Voiceover, an introductory starter guide to a career in voice acting. You can choose your learning experience in an ebook or audiobook format. Simply scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the video description. I look forward to having you as a part of the Erica Dawn Voices family. Thank you, and I'll see you in class soon.